Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to hide WhatsApp messages on iPhone. Watch the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to WhatsApp. Then we open Chats, select Conversation. And in order to hide us with you or to delete, to remove messages under the password, so that the person does not see it, I click on the person's profile. Here we find the chat lock, and it says that this chat will be locked. It's added to hidden chats, and we can only unlock it with Face ID and hide it. So we turn on Face ID, click View. We get the chat. Now look, we're out. The chat is gone with Alex. But when we swipe up, it appears. In order to open and read it, we need to enter Face ID. And now we go in and chat with this person. After that we exit, and the chat is automatically blocked. Now we turn it off, and this chat disappears. This is how easy it is to hide any message in WhatsApp. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel. Give us likes. Thanks for watching. See you later. Goodbye.